aracharitsa Canada premier nk'ibisanzwe nimucikwe buri munsi kuva kwa mbere bishika gatanu.
Tell us, is the president dead?
Hata tubwira ati Carlos perezida yapfuye cyangwa perezida nawe rwose aza kwikundira umuriro. Sasa hakuno
Your classmate?
was classmate wa singigarara.
Nanny, that's nosy.
Nawe yatsinze.
Why are you suddenly blushing? I was just asking about your life.
Ariko se uje wadateza cyane.
This boy is not my classmate, he is my schoolmate.
Ati nago twera muri class ariko twiga ku kigo kimwe.
The chess tournament, he's...
Ati rwose papa niwe wahagarariye iriya chess tournament amarushanwa ya chess.
Osmond, isn't he the president of the school chess club?
Ariko ahubwo papa uwo musore Osmond niwe uri chess club yo ku ishuri.
Really?
Serious?
I really don't know that.
Nago nari mbizi. Sasa no harabaje.
Hello, grandkids. How are you?
Bite abuzukuru banje.
Here. Are you okay?
Meze neza?
Nathan.
Natani. Meze bite?
Thank you so much. My grandson.
Hello, Ma'am Basilda.
Mamusha.
Nathan.
Nata.
Take your sister and go to her room, huh?
Jana rwose mushiye mu cyumba cyanyu.
Hey, Grandpa.
Ndaje gato baze bwa n'uyu mukobwa. Uyu mukecuru yanga karo kagoryi.
Ma'am Basilda, do you want me to get you a beverage?
Mama ashaka iki cyo kunywa?
Just to ask for a drink.
Mama nashaka cyo kunywa.
Participation in saving my son, the president.
Narije rwose kuba nagushimira kwatabaye umwana wanje.
Nothing, ma'am.
Mama nabirenze.
I was able to help.
Naye no mufasha natanze nk'urukundo yose abutanga.
I should clean this up.
Reka baze vana amakaye y'abana hano.
100,000.
Hano nari ngufitiye n'ibihumbi ijana.
100,000 Dina as your reward?
Amafaranga y'amajina nk'igihembo cyawe.
Pardon?
Ngo nguki?
Don't tell me that this much is not
Rutamwa ya amafaranga aragutse wayanga.
may be kind to you, but
Na wenda ushaka kutayemera ariko
generosity for your own gain.
ni inyungu zawe kuri umukene aya mafaranga murashene iwanyu.
For your generous offer, Ma'am Basilda.
Mama ibyo nakoze ntabwo nari nkeneye kwishyurwa.
For a reward.
Natabaraga nk'uwatabara undi wese nagana nyine igihembo.
My offer.
Ni gute wansuzugura?
Giving you an amount you'll never. And you're so proud that you're refusing my reward?
Urumva mu mwana wanjye azishimira kuba nagwaye imana ukayanga.
I'm not trying to be proud or anything.
Oya mama ntabwo nyine arugira wishimira ibyo nakoze.
Thing to do.
Nkora ikintu cyanya cyo ko gikwiye.
Giving back for all the good things he has done for me all this
Ntabwo
time.
ikintu cyose uzajya nkora kiza uzageza ngo mpembe ko n'ubundi hano mfata umushahara buri kwezi. Sheke yabigumane mama.
Blame us in the future for not offering you anything.
Saba rero ubwo utaningira icyo nkwima ntuzanyitwaze.
I gave you a
Kuko ibya mbere naguhaye nk'imana warabyanze.
reject.
Rero nshaka muheshe kandi abwira abantu ati byakoze nagitangaza ko twara mwishyuye. Yabikoze ko yishyuye. Ubwo nawe mugenzi ntabwo ari wa muntu ugiriza ari udufaranga twato nato. Ati ibyo nakoze nuko nafasha n'undi wari we wese. Yagumane.
Glenn, do the police have any leads regarding the assassin?
Ese Glenn, polisi yaba yamenye umuntu ashatse kurasa cyangwa?
Thinking that there's someone out there who wants to kill you.
Byanga byakundwa kwishishwa kwa rero hanze ari maridegembya.
The police are doing the best that they can.
Polisi bakora ibyishoboye.
Investigating it.
Kujya bare ko abona umwicanyi.
Call me if there's any progress in the case. So don't worry.
Ariko nuwe hangayika kese cyakurikiranwa nugira ikibazo.
You have to be extra careful.
Harangi ugomba kwitonda.
He's my only son. I won't be able to bear
Wewe
the...
mwana wenyine mfite.
Don't worry, Ma.
Mama nuhangayike.
Creative team has tightened the strings, not just for me.
Nkeneye ko rwose nawe banza ugatuza ko nawe ukeneye kuba hamwe.
Of course, I'll not sit back and watch anything bad happen to our family.
Ati rwose
Don't.
nawe ukeneye kuba hafi y'abandi.
Going to be okay.
Ukeneye
Everything
kumera neza.
will be fine.
Kandi meze neza.
Evening all. I cooked something special for you tonight.
Mose nabatekeye ibiryo byiza.
Ding ding ding.
Babanze mugerageze ibi ngibi.
How thoughtful, Melody. Thank you.
Melody rwose bibyiza.
Ding ding.
Waratse ugasangira.
What? You don't know what ding 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 is?
Ntabwo muzi ding ding ibyo ari byo.
It's like mixed vegetables, but with more
Biba
pop.
bisa nk'aho ari vegetables cyangwa se imboga nyarwatsi natetse nkavanga n'amafi.
The smell of that shrimp paste is ruining my appetite.
Ibintu natetse ko numva biri kubuza abantu apetira.
Kinds of foods.
Hari dodo n'amafi.
Please.
Ntabwo bijyanye rwose. Tuvane hano.
I think it smells delicious.
Ariko numva bihumura neza mama sinzi impamvu uvuga ngo birahumura nabi.
Okay. So, try.
Uwa mbere nagerageza mvuga ko bimeze niba biryoshye babikomeze.
At least it is different.
Wenda bwa rimwe twari duturiye n'ibiryo bitandukanye n'ibyo twari dusanzwe duteka. Buri mwana afata agafi.
But
Bana bariyo.
how is it?
Bimeze bite?
Delicious.
Mbega ibiryo biryoshye.
You like it?
Papa ahubwo ibiryo bya mbere.
Delicious.
Sewe tata we papa.
Now try.
Nawe rya uzana nanjye gerageza.
Yes, sir.
Sasa umukecuru uraho uyu mwana w'umukobwa agenda batsinda gake gake.
Yeah.
Ibikorwa biruta amagambo.
Smells good.
Baramurwanya Imana ikamurwanirira.
Ding ding.
Wow, reka twese turyoha. Aribyo byitwa ding ding.
Let's try.
Reka tubigerageze, let's try it. Perezida nawe ariyo. Tata we niwe mutetsi.
Delicious.
Mbega byiza.
Really, sir?
You cooked this? I did not know that you're such a great cook.
Barajyaga se niba ariwe mutetsi ntabwo nzi ko uri umutetsi bigeze nawe.
Glad you like it.
Ati ndanezero kuba mubyishimiye.
Melody,
Melody,
take a seat, please.
icara nawe dusangire. Ku meza y'ibwami.
Food.
Icara rwose dusangire ku meza. Dusangire ibyo watetse.
Minutes, please.
Icara nta kibazo.
Serious?
Ntabwo bishoboka.
What will it look like when one of them...
Hana gufata umuntu w'umutindi nk'uyu mupagasi wicara ku meza y'imwe nawe. Ntabwo bishoboka. Umukecuru abizana amatiku.
Least I can do for Melody, okay?
Ariko mama bwari mereka dusangire nawe hari ikibazo se.
So Melody,
Melody,
please.
icara dusangire. Umukecuru amureba nabi.
Thank you for your kindness, sir. But
Ndakuba rwose murakoze kubw'umutima mwiza.
the others after you're done eating.
Kandi musoza kurya ndaza gusangira n'abandi.
You are right. Come on. Let's
Okay, ntacyo noneho.
join us.
N'abandi mwese mwicaye ku itabure dusangire.
There's plenty.
Perezida yamaze kwishimira umukobwa bigeze arabwira abandi bakozi ati niba ashaka gusangira namwe. Mwese mwicare ku meza imwe dusangire.
Do not be shy. Do not.
Wigira isoni genda wicare ufate tap intebe.
Yes.
Twese dusangire. N'abandi bakozi babyungukiramo.
Delicious.
Buri mwana agiye kugira ijambo mu muryango. Bazana ibiyiko byabo. Umukecuru arababara. Umukecuru arajiginywa.
So that everyone can eat.
Mama, irya rwose ibiryo biraryoshye. Aho ubundi mushiga n'uwiki.
Okay.
Ubwiye Imana yapanze guhindura ubuzima. Kuvana yo mu byaha igagucanya n'ibikomangoma. Amwicira n'akajisho. Ibintu bitangiye gukoreka.
I want you to check the CCTV of the day and
Sasa hano abashinzwe umutekano bo nta kindi bahise bakora. Mukure za kamera zose zo muri hoteli. Murebe abantu bose bakatagamo abo ari bo. Bagize gutya mubona.
stop,
Hagarika gato ture.
rewind,
Subiza inyuma gato.
play,
Playing aho ngaho.
zoom in.
Zoom gato rebe. Bareba uyu mugabo yabuze ari mugenzi wabo.
Why, Captain Enriquez? Do you know this man?
Uyu mugabo bamuzira. Baramuzi bo.
Danilo Garcia.
Yebuka munsi yazaga.
Because of alleged
Ni
extortion,
Danilo.
financial donations from some private companies.
Uyu mugabo yagendaga akabantu mu private company inkunga zabo n'amafaranga yabo akayarya.
Danilo Garcia,
Yitwa Danilo Garcia.
employee of PGA,
Yahoze ma PGA.
against the president because cases were filed
Rwose yashatse kwica perezida kubera yuko
back.
perezida yanze kumubara ubwo yaryaga amafaranga y'abaturage yitwaje izina rya company nako rya leta. Niwe nta wundi. Undi yarafite kesi yuko agiye gufunga.
I'm glad that you joined me today, Lorraine.
Ati rwose byanejeje Lorraine kumurusha kunyiyungaho.
Attempt on Glenn. That's why I really need to relax.
Niyo mpamvu ngeneye kuruhuka.
Auntie,
Auntie.
I actually wanted to see you. I really need to talk to you about something.
Ati rwose dushaka tuganire.
So you probably know that Melody is the anonymous hero that
Ati rwose mama urabizi ko Melody atangiye kuba ikibazo mu rugo rwanjye. Yamaze no kwitereka mu rugo.
Don't get me wrong.
Nunyumve nabi mama.
I'm truly grateful for all of Melody's help.
Ati rwose Melody ubufasha yahaye Granny nabushimye pe.
But I can't help but worry that
Ariko rwose turahangayitse.
I might get the wrong interpretation.
Ndashaka rwose birimo biraha Granny repetition itari nziza. Kubona mu itangazamakuru yo kuvuga ngo ahorana kurana n'umukozi birasa nabi.
Melody is getting some false hopes from Glenn.
Ahubwo Melody arimo arafata umutima wa Glenn birenze uko bikeka wa mukobwa we.
False hopes, Auntie.
Auntie ntacyo ushaka.
But wrong signals too.
Naye ndimo ndabibona ariko dushaka ko twamwera iminave muri uru rugo.
Appreciation might get into that girl's head.
Ndashaka uburyo twamukura hano.
To find someday that she does something that will endanger Glenn's political career.
Kuko rwose bizica kariyeri ya Glenn kandi mama nukuri umuhungu wacu akuzabura iyi ntebe yicaye yo ku mwanya wa perezida.
To Monica and Lewinsky, she might even sue Glenn one day.
Umukobwa araje bakajya mushyiramo imyuka mibi amubwira muri cyo itangazamakuru ko amufotorana n'umukozi nabyo bisa nabi.
I think
Ndakeka
I have to let go of Nanny Melody.
uyu dushaka wenda undi mukozi wo mu rugo uzagirira abana.
Do not
ariko Melody ave muri runo rugo
Glenn look good in the public.
ko ntabwo bigaragara muri public.
Even without her, the sympathy of the people is with Glenn. They favor him.
Atwende atanahari abantu banamugirira impuhwe.
Who just causes so much more headaches.
N'ubu ahubwo atangiye kudutera umutwe birenze.
Melody has become a liability.
Melody rwose atangiye kuba umuntu ukomeye muri uyu muryango.
What I am talking about is fairly simple.
Sasa zaza kuri amuhungu we.
Nanny Melody.
Washatse uri mukozi wo mu rugurira abantu ukavanaho Melody.
Of herself, you see, and she'll become over familiar.
Batu rwose arimo arakumenyera akarengera.
No.
Mama.
Where is this going, Ma?
Hasi biragana murashaka iki?
What? I saw nothing but kindness ever since.
Uriya mukobwa nyina cyane namubonye musibye umuti wanguza no kunda abana banje.
Well, I've been observant.
Naye ndabibona.
When she brought you food at the hospital that
Narabonye rwose ugakuzana ibiryo kwa muganga.
she cooked for your kids.
Avuga ngo abana babigutekeye.
Notice her.
Utangiye kumuha umwanya mu buzima bwawe.
Never know. She evolutions that you might become quite taken with her.
That's absurd.
Ushaka kuzagutwara umutima ukamushaka.
We were under attack the other day. That is.
Ariko mama uri ku munsi narashwe.
She's not the kind of woman who does something good in exchange for something.
Ati nangara umukobwa ukora ibintu ko akeneye ibihembo, ahubwo agira neza kubera ko umutima wamubwira kugira neza.
You're taking the side of the nanny.
None uri muravuga uramona muvuganira. Hakuja umve mama wawe inama kugira.
For getting jealous.
Ngaho nyibagirwa ngaho nakubyaye. Ngaho nagutwise amezi 9 nyibagirwa.
Why?
Cyavada ku ruhande.
My relationship with her is strictly professional. That's it.
Umva ngubwire mama umubano wanjye n'uriya mukobwa ni umubano uri professional. Azi inshingano ze kandi azikora neza.
You're dating Lorraine.
Umva urimo urateretana na Lorraine.
Extra nice and accommodating.
Ni umukobwa mwiza kandi wize kandi uva mu muryango ufite amafaranga. Mwana wanjye. Gumana na Lorraine urekana n'iriya nyatsi. Bwatinze hakuno. Kumbe ka Jimmy. Kira telefone irasona.
Since yesterday, I don't think I'm very safe staying put.
Umbana ndi ntabwo watekanye.
Check this out.
Ndashaka muri cyo mwamvana hano.
Check that you promised.
Mungirire vuba. Kumbe bashinzwe umutekano. Batejemo.
Do that. Why will we pay you? You did not get the job done, remember?
Umbana akazi wakarangije nta mafaranga twagwa ngucike.
Remember, I know your bosses.
Umva naye kandi wibuke ko nzibasobuja bazamfata nawe nzabatanga. Kumbe kari kuri telefone.
I will surely expose you, mister.
Nanye nzabatamaza, sawa zadutamaza. Barakupa. Bebeke bamufoto yari marasuzanya nande na Senateri Lopez ko yagasohotse. Rebye gukemana abashinzwe umutekano tayari. Nangaratangira. Zakuzuye. Dan. Nangaratangira. Yewe hakurya iriya. Bamubona hakuno. Giye ka Jimmy ati nawe baramuka bafashe. Namwe zabatanga nawe mukorana bose. Mugabo aratangira. Mugabo aratangira. Kina eri gitsi. Turore. Yese hano. Uri hakuno yitsimba hano. Senzisha. Tera umubare. Kira musimbukira. Amunda hakurya. Musenzi. Bose n'abasore. Lande poza. Ye. Bategeti. Kumu komando. Bagabo bose. Kagabo karabangutse nako nirwanye. Akwepa. Nangije banayipinga. Banayipinga. Bagabo. Musenzi. Tagotwe gatarari kambika. Kiruzingo hasi. Demos. Kagabo kabwe Jimmy ati nazina bene wanyu. ziramukorana bose muraramuka mwanze kumfasha nanjye nzabatanga birareka turore bayise the first nanny twarebaga karindwi kuri Ganza TV